friends, so you can do the following exercises either in a seated position or standing. So let's begin by sending our arms out in front of us and then flipping our palms over so that way now our palms are facing away from our body, and spread through your fingers. Flex your fingertips towards your face. Let's hold here for 2 breath cycles. Awesome. Now begin to point and send your fingertips towards the earth, taking some zombie arms here and still spreading your fingers nice and wide. We're here for 2 breath cycles. Excellent. Now bring your hands in towards your heart space and just open and close your hands really fast, building some heat and energy. Awesome, shake it off. Send your arms out in front of you once again, make some fists. For this next movement, try to keep your arms as still as possible. Let's begin by rocking our knuckles up towards the sky and then down towards the ground. 2 more times just like that. Up, down, up, and down. Great. Now bring your hands towards your heart center in prayer position. Really press into your fingertips. Imagine that you're kind of gluing your hands together, so it's really active and strong. Extend your elbows from left to right. And let's hold here for 3 breath cycles. Great. Release, favorite, and return to this video often, especially for some wrist and forearm TLC. Thank you so very much for joining me here today. Bye for now.